In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have your Notion account securely linked, so ChatGPT can work alongside the notes and documents you already use in Notion. We'll follow a quick, guided path, and I'll add helpful context so nothing feels confusing. Start inside ChatGPT. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile. This is the small area that shows your name, photo, or initials. From the menu that opens, click Settings. You'll see a panel where you manage your account, preferences, and connections. In that panel, choose Apps. This is the place where all available connections live. It's where you can view what's already linked and discover new services to connect. Next, click Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what your screen shows. Both options take you to the same catalog of integrations. At the top of that catalog, you'll find a search field. Type Notion into the search. You should see the official Notion app appear in the results. Go ahead and click Connect. This begins a secure authorization process, which is what allows ChatGPT to talk to your Notion account without sharing any sensitive details directly. You'll be prompted to log into your Notion account to continue. If a browser window or a pop-up appears, follow it. Enter your Notion credentials as you normally would. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're signing into the one you want to connect. You may see a brief list of permissions that the integration needs in order to function. Review those carefully and confirm to proceed. This step ensures that the connection has just the right level of access. Once you finish signing in, you'll be brought back to ChatGPT, and you should see that Notion is now connected. That's it. Your setup is complete. From here, the integration is ready to use within your chats, and you won't need to repeat this process unless you choose to disconnect it in the future. If anything doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh usually helps. Also, double-check that you're logged into the correct Notion account during the authorization step. You can always return to Settings, then Apps, to see the connection status or disconnect it at any time. You've now connected Notion to ChatGPT using just a few clear steps: Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore or Add More, Search Notion, Connect, and Sign In. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow.